How to turn off sensitive content setting. First of all, search x.com, formerly called Twitter. Remember, you have to open X on your browser for this setting, not on app. After that, you have to sign into your X account. After signing into your Twitter account, click on your profile and click on Setting and Privacy. Here you will find Privacy and Safety. Simply click on Privacy and Safety. After clicking on Privacy and Safety, you have to turn off two options. So first one is Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Just click on it, make sure to turn it on, and now click on Search Settings. Make sure to turn off Hide Sensitive Content option. After setting up the both options, just check the both options again for confirmation. Just go to your home page and now you can watch and see all the sensitive content on Twitter. Thank you.